Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at your home. Today I am going to teach you sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Example, Ram is a good boy. I am reading. When a group of words complete sense, gives meaningful sense, then it is called sentence. There are two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. Subject is the doer of the action in the sentence, and predicate shows the action done by subject. How can we understand what is subject? Subject replies the question who or what about, and predicate says what who is doing the action done by subject. Example, Ram is reading a book. In this sentence, the word Ram is subject and is reading a book is predicate. Predicate has also two parts, verb plus object. Is reading is verb and book is object. Ram is reading a book. Here Ram is subject, is reading is verb, and a book is object. Now let us know how many types of sentence. There are 4 types of sentence. Generally there are 4 types of sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. The sentence which asserts something or states something is called assertive or declarative sentence. When we say Ram is a good boy, it is an assertive sentence. The sentence which is used to ask question, that is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence begins with an auxiliary verb or with a WH word and ends with a question mark. Yes no questions begin with auxiliary verb. Suppose if you say, have you done your homework? Do you go to school? Such sentences are yes no questions. And when you say, what are you doing? Where do you live? Such sentences are WH word questions. The interrogative sentences are of 2 kinds, yes no question and WH word question. Now let us know about imperative sentence. Imperative sentence shows RAO, request, advice or order. When the sentence shows request, advice, order and so on, such sentences are called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence begins with a verb. There is no subject in the imperative sentence. It is understood that it will be you. Suppose you are telling, go there, do it. Here, you is understood because subject is the doer of the action. Here, who will do? Listener will do. The second person, you will do. So, you is subject which is not used in imperative sentence. When we use requesting sentence, then we add please or kindly. Please help me. This sentence shows request. When we use verb plus object, imperative sentence structure is verb plus object. Generally the structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus object. But in imperative sentence the structure is verb plus object. So when we write imperative sentence or use imperative sentence, we say, come here. take out your book. Here we see that there is no use of subject, only verb and object is used. When we use requesting sentence, then we use please or kindly. When we show advice, then we say drink a plenty of water daily. Here also verb plus object, only the sense says whether it is showing order or advice. Now exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence shows a sudden feeling of emotion. When we speak anything with our sudden excitement, then it is called exclamatory sentence. Suppose, what a beautiful rose. Here it is an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence begins with WH word what or how and ends with exclamatory mark. How cold it is. The word interjection also takes exclamatory mark. Suppose when we say alas, oh, ouch. Such words also take exclamatory mark. Today we have read about sentence. Now let me recap it. First of all, we will say a group of words that makes a complete sentence is called sentence. There are two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. Subject is the doer of the action and predicate part receives the action done by subject. There are four types of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Assertive sentence states something, asserts something. Interrogative sentence is used to ask question. Imperative sentence shows RAO and exclamatory sentence shows sudden feeling of emotion. Now today we have read enough about sentence. If you have any doubt, you can give in the comment box. Thank you.